I just wanna know, is you gon' switch sides? I just wanna know, is you just gon' sit and lie? I don't wanna hear no lies, baby, don't tell me you tried. I just been thinking about life just to get to my show, gotta wear a disguise. I think about the monies a million times a day. For that money, they get them out of the way. Baby, I told you, you don't wanna come around this side of the town, cause the shit'll get dangerous. Squabbling my demons, is blood on the pavement. You know my mind been racing, but I don't wanna chase it. Man, who still with some lead in it, they come with no eraser. I ain't chasing no liquor, I don't know why these bitches just think I'ma chase it. I said I saw on the way. Rockin' that shot, I'ma tell you I'm on to
Welcome back to another video. It's your man Dre World in his own world. I hope your day is going good, man. I was just data logging my car, the GT, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm still getting that PTB code, engine light code. So I did a data log and I'm gonna send it to the tuner and see what the issue is. Why is it too lean? Why is there not enough gas going into the cylinder? But I've been trying to get my GoPro working, but it said I had to reformat my SD card for some reason, and it's just been stuck right here, bro, and it's frying me. Yo, look at this rose. Jeez. Whoever that is, big baller. That joint is sweet. Ooh, that joint is sweet. coming really loud. Got another dude. Hey, shout out to whoever that was, man. He got a little run in. He got me on the first run because I was in low gear and I didn't really press on the gas, for real, for real. Oh. 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 This car is smoking, bro. It's going crazy. Yo, this video insane. It wouldn't be a Dre World video if we ain't at the 7-Eleven gas station once again. And I'm about to go on a 3-hour trip. That was a good little run, my baby. Bro, the 7-Eleven car reader wasn't working, bro. I had to pay inside, bro. I put the 50 in. Let's go ahead and put the 50 in the car. Just taking our bread, bro. Just taking our money. But you know, we got this thing outside right here. She looking dirty. Outside with it. Outside with it. Jeez, I hope she don't look sweet though. Oh God. The gas is done, so go ahead, go back in. A lot of cars outside today. I'm not gonna hold y'all. One day I wanna set up meets. You know what I'm saying? I can set up some meets, get some people to pop out. Hopefully some people will pop out and get some little free cruises in, some runs in. And we can build a community. And you know what I'm saying? A lot of car enthusiasts come together and make friends, you know what I'm saying? Business, all that, connections, all that. You know, into the joint. Look, I got black shit all over the car and shit, bro. Shit's stupid. I need this. Oh, he going crazy. They be like, why you leaving work early? You're just gonna go home and do nothing. Huh. No, I'm not. I'm pulling up next to the kitty witties. Going up to Texas. Bro, look at all the all the cats. They posted. It's their little home. Hey. They so cute. They so cute. They so cute. Look at him over there.